What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So here is another JML performance. Recently lang to, yung recent Sunday. This is Muli. So ang sabi dito sa caption, JM De La Serna and Mariel Monteliano's powerful Muli version. Wow! Powerful. So, I'm excited, no? Intriguing yung caption nito. So, if hindi nyo pa nakita, I just reacted to Pag ang Puso ang Nagsabi. Live din sa ASAP, Jamiel. Okay? So, if you want to watch that, you can, check my recent uploads. Okay? So, anyway, follow nyo ako sa Facebook, sa TikTok, and sa Instagram. So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go!
Muling hinahanap ang dating paglingap na mula sa'yo. Muling umaasa ang dating nadarama laan sa'yo.
Very emotional,
Mula nang mawakas, tapusin ang lahat, ay
nice.
naritong nagmamahal pa rin. Paano kaya may babalik ang damdamin mong dati?
Ikaw ba una may nais na tapusin na? Habang panahon, inilimutin ka hanggang ngayon.
May pagka-K-drama yung kanta, no?
Mula nang magwakas, tapusin ang lahat, hindi magkakailang ikaw pa rin. Paano kaya
May babalik ang hangarin natin?
maaari pa kayang muli?
Nandito lang ako,
Bago lumayo sa piling mo,
higit kang kailangan kailanman.
hanggang kailan kaya
Mahal
Grabe.
hanap tayo.
tunay kaya ito?
Minsan pa bigyan ng daan, pag-ibig na sa'yo nakalaan. Ba't di nagkatagpo? Bakit tuloy nagkalayo? Bakit mayroon pang nagdarama? Ngayong hindi na tayong dalawa. Bakit magwawakas? Pag-ibig na wakas. Maaari man
Para ako nanonood ng Grand Finals.
higit pa muli.
Grabe. Hindi ako makapag-pause eh. Kasi I'm in awe. Okay? Totoo nga yung nasa caption, powerful na Muli version. No, I enjoyed it so much na parang gusto ko mag-pause na hindi ko gusto mag-pause. No? Parang may moment doon na parang bakbakan din sila, bardagulan din, but at the same time, they're so in sync with what they're doing on stage, no? Kasi hindi ko ma-explain. They're always balanced, no? Yung performance nila is balance palagi, no? Walang nangingibabaw. Alam mo yun, yung same energy yung tinatapon nila, no? Yung kung ano yung birit ni Mariel, merong katumbas si JM, hindi OA, hindi sobra, yung talagang balancing, no? That's why in sync talaga sila and in harmony talaga yung JML pagdating sa duo. Pagdating naman sa solo, talagang meron ding ibubuga, no, 'di ba? So this was an impressive version and performance. Good job, di ba? Ang galing. Now that's what you call um, unbeatable. As of this moment, again, unbeatable pa rin ang Jamiel sa duet. They have it all eh. Individual skill, pagdating sa duet, in sync, in harmony, no? Merong charisma, both of them have the charisma, no? Talagang may hatak sila eh, paglabas pa lang sa stage. You can sense that they have that charisma. So, nung hindi pa sila nanalo sa kanilang solo career, no? Or solo journey sa Tawag ng Tanghalan, siguro it's not the right time yet, no? Sabi ni Lord, hindi mo na ngayon. Well, this is the beginning, but not today, okay? At least you know the feeling, at least na-experience nyo yung ganito. Then, I want to see more of you, hard work, and then I'll give you the right time. And I'll give you the right partner. No? Tas binigay sila ni Lord sa each other. So yeah, that's it. And hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.